Hi, I'm Adam from Spire Electrics, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your Quantum Series light. First, locate the two mounting screws on either side of the rim. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two mounting screws. Once the two screws have been removed, take the light out of the niche and bring it above water level. Using the same Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the three screws at 12, 9 and 3 on the plug top. Once the three screws have been removed, disconnect the light from the plug top and replace your light. Place the plug on the new light and fasten the three screws down tightly. You are now ready to put the light back into the niche. Coil the cable up inside, aligning the two boss holes. Place your light back into the niche. Using the two mounting screws, fasten the screws back into the mounting ring. The job is now complete.